will be showing you the art of live stream. So basically what you do is you go to themagicalyoutube.com and you have to log into your YouTube account or email account or whatever you want to call it. Okay, gotcha. And then after that, you gotta click on this magical icon that will be different on your screen unless you stole my icon. And then you gotta click Creator Studio. It's right there, but I already clicked it. So there's no point in reloading my screen. And it's gonna take you to your dashboard, right? Okay, yeah, that's right. Unless you're testing the new YouTube version thingy, then I'll have to redo this video. And then what you do is after you go to your dashboard, you click live streaming and it will take you here to stream now. This is a thumbnail I never used. I don't know why, but I felt like I should say that. It's irrelevant to this whole process. And after that, you click events. Now, some of you who have just started a YouTube channel or have never done this before may have to wait 24 hours for YouTube to verify that you are capable of live streaming. And once you do that, you can just come back and watch this tomorrow. And then there's nothing here. But still, you click new live event. Okay, and then once you do that, you do the title, which I will make free, dude, because that was the first thing here, even though I do not know where it came from. And you pick a time. It can be any time in the whole world, or you can do it now. Yeah, and you don't have to have. You don't need one of these. You don't need one of these. No. Not needed, but you should have one because all YouTube videos need to have a description. It's a legacy, and basically that's how people tell if they want to watch your video. Anyways, you gotta make sure you press quit using Google Hangouts on air, and after you do that, just pretty much all the steps, except for you forgot one magical thing: to hit go live now. And you press OK. And after you go live now, it will let you do the thingy. Eventually, you know that's your cue. Come on, of all the days. Okay, and then you press OK, and then you can have this. And that's all, and this will load from 0% to 100, and then it will ask you if you want to start the broadcast, and you click that and your comments will be over here. But I don't want to start a broadcast because I'm recording a video right now, and you know how it goes if you record a video inside of a video inside of a video inside of a video. Okay, I'll stop. But then you gotta press the magical button of screen share, and it will share your screen. Or you can have some application window, which I do not have. Yay. And then you press share screen, and then it will share, and you can press present to everyone to get away that stupid green thing, and it'll still be here. And then there's all these screens. And then you just minimize that, and you know what happens? It only shows one screen, and that's the magic. That's the magic of how you do it. But you don't do that until you press, oh my gosh, until you press start broadcast, because otherwise it will not show anyone and all your efforts will be wasted. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and it was super duper easy. If not, give me the constructive criticism of my dreams. Thank you. Bye. Subscribe, like, maybe, who knows.